What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you want with your money. And that being said, as always, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we'll check on the market to see the 24 hours market performance. Then we'll look at price in a little bit details. Okay, I know a lot of people are still panicking. Yeah, it's normal. People panicking is normal. Okay, and then we'll look at our positions. I will show you my positions, and then you can compare with yours to see whether you are going up, down, sideways, or depending on what you consider, if you are doing good or bad. Anyways, but before we do that, guys, excuse me, apologize for my voice, I'm still recuperating. But anyways, these coins, guys, they are going to make you a lot of money. And when I say these coins, I mean Casper, that's number one. Quant, number two. Jasmine, number three. These coins are going to make you a lot of money. You can diversify a little bit, okay? I'm not going to tell you to just hold one coin or two coins or whatever. In my experience, in every bull run, you need to have your main portfolio, and then you need to have your secondary portfolio. You need to have your secondary portfolio. In your secondary portfolio, I have coins. Let's say in my secondary portfolio, I have coins that how can I say this? Coins that people may be saying, like, you know what, they are not going anywhere. Coins that I take a chance, like the high risk, high reward. Okay, those coins. And like I just put that money there and I was like, you know what? It is what it is. Let it do what it has to do. And those coins, such as, I'll give you examples. Sui is one of them. I don't have a lot of Sui because hey, I only put like $300 in there. And when it launched $300 or $400, I had like 1,000 coins. That's what I have right now. And I'm not even looking at it every day, because for me, Sui is a long term. Okay, it's not something I want to sell this run. It's not something I'm going to sell next run. I'm just following that project to see what they're doing. Number two in that category is Cubic. Cubic is very interesting in the approach of how they do their layer one. Okay, I'm not going to sit over here and talk about Cubic, but it's another coin that I have in that my high risk, high rewards portfolio. And then we can go to number three, which again I've talked about it so many times, is Luna Classic. Luna Classic is another one that I also have in that portfolio. But that's not what we are talking about today. Today we are talking about the three coins that for sure, guys, I can guarantee you, not financial advice, but I can guarantee you that these three projects are going to make you a lot of money based on what they bring to this world, to this space. And again, those three coins: number one, King Casper. Casper's number one. Number two, you have Quant. Number three, you have Jasmine. Now, why am I picking Casper to be number one? Guys, you don't have to look far. Right there. I'm a Casper Maxi. Right here. Why? Because Casper, I believe Casper is better, faster, in any angle. Casper is better than Bitcoin. Look at the hype that is around Bitcoin. Look at it. Bitcoin in the space since 2014, 2013, that thing has gone from $1 to all the way to $74,000 without solving major problems. Just by the idea, people thinking, like, you know what, it's a better store of value. If you ask yourself, okay, is mineable? Yes. Energy efficient? No. Is it fast? No. Is it scalable? To some extent, because go ask everybody else who is talking about building on the Bitcoin blockchain. Go ask them how they're doing. There you go. Now, you bring Casper in the middle. Okay? Is it scalable? Very. Is it fast? Very. Is it secure? Very. And then you ask yourself again, can it be a store of value? Hell yeah. Yes, it can. So those things alone, if you put them side by side with Bitcoin, that's it. Casper is hands down better than Bitcoin. But Bitcoin has the hype because it came out first. Like I gave you the other day an example of the car. The first car that was produced compared to the cars that we drive today, they have nothing. The first car has nothing in everything. In everything compared to the cars that we drive today. Comfort, nope. Speed, nope. Strength, nope. In everything, the cars that we drive today are 1,000 times better than the first car that was produced. That is the same thing I'm telling you when you want to compare Bitcoin with Casper. Just use that analogy only. And again, now, I told you guys, for me, Casper was still on testnet. Now, yeah, we have the inscriptions. The inscriptions came in, and we're looking at it right now, like how the inscriptions are performing, the volume, whenever I think they're just testing to see like the transactions. If there is a lot of transaction, is it going to crash? Can it hold? There's a lot of things they're doing in the background, just testing it. That is just the phase 1. And we talked about the real phase, which is phase 2. We are going to see this phase 2 coming first quarter next year, when the real smart contracts get launched on Casper. They already talk about the stablecoin. You guys know, I told you guys that a stablecoin is something that is very, very important to any ecosystem. Now, stablecoins that every coin use right now, you call it Bitcoin, call it Tron, call it all these people, they only use the traditional stablecoin, the USDT, USDC, all that stuff. But Casper is taking it a step further, introducing the stablecoin called Gigawatt. Okay, Gigawatt backed by real world assets. Understand? What's that USDT backed by what? USDT, they print it has however much they want. USDC, what is it backed by? Nothing. It's just like it's a fate. Okay, we all believe it's equal to $1, right? But the Gigawatt is going to be backed. Okay, excuse me. So yeah, not only that it is backed by energy, and each energy can be divided in fraction. I mean, each energy unit of the Gigawatt coin can be divided in fractions. Like, okay, if I want to, just like your USDT, I can send you a whole USDT, or I can send you 0.001 or whatever amount of USDT. Is the same thing that is going to happen with the Gigawatt coin. Okay, so yeah, I told you guys, things are beginning to look up. Things are coming. They're even talking about, once they get that running, they're going to be into the financial world. Okay, they are going to be competing with the petrodollar, cross-border payments. There's a lot coming on Casper. So if you are investing in Casper right now, you are very, very early. Okay, and it's a very big opportunity for you. Okay, now that is just the icing on the cake. Carbon credits, I told you guys yesterday, okay? Carbon credits is like a $400 or $500 billion market industry. That's number one on that. And, excuse me. And if you put on the other aspect of it, like they have another one, like a DEX that they're trying to also, they're working on building, which will also work with the traditional finance industry, working with credit union banks and national banks and all that stuff. That alone is another $300 to $400 billion market cap industry. And guys, DeFi is going to be a thing of the past. the way they're bringing it on Casper, DeFi is gonna be working in a different level. Okay, so yeah, you have things like that coming. You have things like excuse me. Yeah, you have things like that coming, and then you start to realize, like, okay, I think I stumbled onto something here. The same thing goes to quant. You guys have been, that's something I don't understand about people. You're just looking at the price right now. Look at what quant is working on, guys. Look at what quant is working on. They have finally got the stablecoin policies in the United Kingdom. Now quant, they are working on turning into the digital pound. Okay, the pound right now they use over there in UK, they're about to turn into a digital. They are working on the APIs. The APIs with like day to day, the way you go to the store every day and use your money to buy groceries, to pay for your bills, to do all that stuff. That's what they're working on right now. I keep telling you guys, quant is going to surprise a lot of people. So all that work is all based on the overledger technology. And again, everything is tied together. For you to use the overledger, you have to hold quant. And for you to hold quant, guess what? You have to buy it. And talking about quant, let's go here. Talking about quant, go look at the exchange reserves. They are all going down. They are dropping. Exchange reserves keep going down day by day. Again, when I look at the amount that people are buying up, okay, I don't have much time right now. I'll bring it up to you guys. Probably the video I'll make tomorrow. You look at there are wallets that have been accumulating quant. You know that for you to trade quant, you need Ethereum. But those wallets, they don't have Ethereum, just quant. So that tells me, like, okay, the staking project Gateways is about to start, because these wallets are just buying quant, just buying, like, I'm not talking about 1 or 2 or 3 quants. They are buying quants in the thousands, like 2,000 quants, 3,000 quants, something like that. So that tells me that those wallets, they are staking. Like, those guys are getting ready to start staking. That's what is going to happen. And then you're about to see that overledger technology take full speed ahead. So the way everything goes is one after the other. You can't just excuse me, you can't just talk about APIs and overledger before you do the basics. First of all, people have to hold quant, then overledger, let's talk about APIs, and then the staking comes next. So yeah, they're in phase 2 right now, which are the AV APIs, which are taking place right now. And then if you look at on Quant website, they even announced it already. Even when you go to their Twitter account, their X account, they have even announced it. Okay, they are now working with the United Kingdom legislators on the quant, electronic quant, digital quant coin. So I know it's taking its time. I know it's something that people don't want to see. Everything else is pumping. This is that is going on. And I keep telling you guys, patience. Guys, we have a month and a half. After a month and a half, we will sit here and we'll talk about this. A lot of people are expecting the market to go down. I told you guys that is not happening. The market is not going down. There is so much bullish momentum in the market right now that is going to send the market flying upwards. That's what is happening right now. Look at the Bitcoin. I told you guys, we just had the Bitcoin, just had the golden crush the other day. Okay, so what that means is that price of Bitcoin started moving up. And if you had paid attention, you would have made you a lot of money. Bitcoin went all the way up to 64,000. Now it's a resistance that is testing right now. Look at Quant. From $58 or $60 all the way up to $68. And I kept telling you guys, the market is not going down. So yeah, you got to look at those coins in a different angle. Trust me, Casper, Quant, Jasmine, they are going to make you a ton amount of money. When you look at Jasmine, okay, look at Jasmine right now. I told you guys 2.3 cents is the point, is the price tag that I'm waiting for that thing to break. Once it breaks 2.3 cents, Jasmine is gone. There is a lot coming out on Jasmine. The other day, I even told you guys, if you have a PlayStation, you would have noticed that your PlayStation network did not work. Okay, it did not work, and Sony kept saying, okay, they are doing upgrades and all that. The real truth is that they are like they're trying to, how do you say, it's not implementing. They are making sure that the Jasmine network is integrated into the Sony ecosystem. Okay, so that's not what they're working on right now. And I was like, oh well, what's happening? So I went digging around, found the term junction. What the hell is junction? So I started looking around, and that's why I found out, okay, they're implementing junction into the PlayStation network. And now after that, they are going to start implementing it into their computers, into their cell phones, into stuff like that for them to get data. Now, if you hold Jasmine, you stake your Jasmine, you will start getting your, not just a normal staking, you get paid for your information. Those things are coming up. That's why I'm telling you guys, Jasmine is going to make you a lot of money. Okay, so yeah, you can sit on the sidelines and keep trying to speculate on the market, or you can really, guys, you can really make a move right now. And a lot of people are going to regret not making this move, because these 3 coins, guys, a month and a half is coming. And when you look at, excuse me, I told you even so, like when you look at the history, every time that we have had, okay, a green September, the October usually be explosive. Again, look at the Bitcoin price. We just did a golden cross. The first 2 weeks of October, or a week and a half of October, are going to go sideways a little bit, this and that, and then it will take away from there. It will take off. Just wait. You're about to see. So yeah, if you want to sit on the sideline and miss, that's you. I will sit here like always, and I will tell you, I told you so. Yeah, I will sit here and I will tell you that. Anyways, now let's go look at the market to see how the market has been doing for the past 24 hours. So looking here on the crypto bubbles, as you can see, yeah, it's a mixed feeling. Some coins are up, some coins are down, like everybody else is. The people are still afraid. But anyways, let's go look at the coins that we are trading on this 2024-2025 bull run. First, starting with King Casper, KAS. Look here. For the past hour, we are down we are down 1.5%. We are down 2.7% on the day, 12.1% down on the week, 8.4% down on the month, and we are down we are up 217% up on the year. Okay, now looking at quant QNT, we are down 0.45% on the hour, 2.8% down on the day, 6.8% down on the week, 15% up on the month, and pay attention to that number, 23.4% down on the year. Now let's go look at Jasmine, JAS. Okay, on Jasmine we are down 1.2% on the hour, okay, 2.3% down on the day, 9.8% down on the week, 5.4% down on up on the month, and 482% up on the year. Man, I can't talk today. I keep making the mistake. Anyways, now excuse me for a second. Okay, now let's go look at the price in a little bit details. Let's go to my trading view. Okay, as you can see, prices are moving the way they're doing because of this guy right here, Bitcoin. Look at that. We are on the 4-hourly. Okay, as you can see, Bitcoin is trying to correct right now. But the good thing about it, we are still above the moving average, and we're also still above the moving ribbon. But anyway, that's not what we're here for. Let's go look at the coins that we are trading in this my millionaire journey. So Casper, KAS, and I'm going to go to make see the chart. There you go. On Mexi, you guys can know. We already told you guys this channel that we've been trading on, which is between 17.2 to anything between 13.8 to 14 cents. Okay, that's what we've been trading. So yeah, as you can see, price is going down. The ribbon is still looking facing downwards. So yeah, we're looking to have this bounce pretty soon here, probably around this 13.8 14 cents. That's what we're looking at right now. If you go on the 1 hourly, look at the 1 hour right quick. Yeah, we broke that support and we are now at 13.8, exactly where the bounce supposed to be. So yeah, let's wait and see. The reason I'm telling you 13.8 14 cents because people draw the Fibonacci differently. When I drew mine, that's where I have my bounce at that 13.7 or 14 cents. So yeah, if we lose this support, we will be expecting it to go down to probably 13.2. That's what we'll be looking it to go. But anyways, now when you look at the daily, let's go on the daily right quick. Right there, you can see it on the daily. It's even clearer. You see it, we came down. Oh crap, let me get my arrow. I almost forgot. Let me do this right here. See, we've been trading here 17.2 and right there 14 cents. You can see we went below and it got bought right back up again. So yeah, I'm expecting price again to respect this support and start to go up right here. The reason is because if you look at the RSI and the MACD, we are very oversold right now on the higher time frames, like on the daily and on the weekly. We are very oversold. So yeah, it is what it is right there. So just get ready for the price action. So let me go right here and excuse me. Okay, now let's go look at quant right quick. QNT, USDT, quant USDT on Binance. Okay, quant is still also respecting the same thing we talked about yesterday. Okay, we're still respecting that. We tried breaking up, got rejected by the moving average. Okay, you guys remember I told you guys the ribbon was curving, so we were down here. Price went up, got rejected again. We tried again, got rejected. So yeah, I'm expecting quant to do the same, bounce off 66, form a double bottom and start to go up towards the $72 price tag. Again, everything depends on what Bitcoin is doing, unfortunately, because Bitcoin is dumping. Price action on every asset is also dumping. It's also correcting. We're still dancing in between this resistance at 72 and support at 66. That's what quant is doing right now, guys. Still, everything's still looking bullish because we are still inside this bull flag. Okay, as long as we don't break below $66, quant looks perfectly okay. Again, you guys got to understand something. If you zoom out on the weekly, guys, that is where the money is. I've always told you guys about this. The target of everything you're looking at right now, the target is way up here, $125, and it's going to catch a lot of people by surprise because people are still thinking price is going lower. Guys, this thing is about to take off. I've been saying it ever since we went all the way down to 58. I think it was $58, and I told you guys we are in an uptrend. Okay, so be patient, guys. Have your positions ready. Scale up if you have to. Okay, that's all you have to do. Add to your margin, because in the long run, the more you scale up, the more money you're going to make anyway. So now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. I'm trying to rush this thing. Jasmine right here, JASMY, and I will take Binance right there. Jasmine, again, we're still doing the same thing. I told you guys, I am a little bit until we break above that, until we break above 2.3 cents. I am still a little bit bearish on Jasmine. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting for. Yeah, we are in an uptrend on Jasmine right now, because yeah, look, lower highs, higher lows. We're in an uptrend, but I need to see Jasmine break this 2.3 cents. Okay, as you can see, ribbon started to curve, okay, which is a good thing, but we need to break above all this you see right here, because right now, if you look at it on the daily, go on the daily, you will see Jasmine is doing perfectly good. See this candle we're trying to form right now today? It needs to close like this. I call this kind of candle Star Wars. They signify reversal. So that means like just me for this week, we might start to see it trend upwards to break the 2.3 cents. Now, once we break above that, guys, it's blue skies. Blue skies. Here you see we try breaking above, got rejected. Let's see now if we try again, see what we get from there. Okay, so there's not much to be said about Jasmine until we go past that resistance at 2.3 cents. So there you have it. Okay, those three coins, guys, pay close attention to them. Now on spot, just buy and hold. On leverage, I do not recommend leverage trading to anybody, okay, unless you know what you're doing, because you can lose your money. Not financial advice. I'm only showing you guys what I am doing. But if you know what you're doing, down below I do have the Phemex and I do have the Bydfi. Yeah, sorry about that. I do have the links for Phemex and Bydfi. You can sign up, okay, meet their deposit requirements. Guys, you gotta be I don't know how many times I will tell you this. Some people will tell you exchange is giving you $100,000. Guys, I don't see that being real. You got to be able to spot scam from far away, okay? At least this one, yeah, they're not going to give you $100,000, but they're going to give you $2,000 to $3,000 when you meet their deposit requirements. Once you do that, start trading. You can follow me, follow somebody else tradings, or do you. It don't really matter to me. Once you start making money, you take away your initial money and just grow that house money. That's what I did. And my trades are looking okay right now. That's why I don't even care what happens to them, because it's not longer my money. It's money that I got from the house and I'm growing it. Okay, we're going to turn this thing into a 6-figure account and you guys will see. It's not going to be like an extended bull run like people say. I think it will catch a lot of people off guard. Anyway, now let's go look at my trades right quick. First, Bydfi. These are the trades that are my long-term, my seasonal trades. Trades that I open at the bottom of the bull market and try to take profits at the top, or closer to the top as possible. Okay, I only have Casper and Quant on Bydfi, seasonal. On the Phemex, my season trade over there is the Jasmine one. Anyways, let's go look at those Bydfi right quick. So if you go here, open my Bydfi. Okay, you guys know, like yesterday when Bitcoin was starting to take off, my positions were like 10,500, I think it was. Today, yeah, we're a little bit down. We are down 9,500. Again, I do not really worry enough about this, because I know very soon, give it a week or two, you're about to see this thing start to take off. Guys, you're about to see it. Now, when you go look at the contracts, okay, looking at the contracts, we have my quant, and I am up 13%, which is $1,000, good. And on my Casper, I am down 56%, which is $1,700. Again, I am a very aggressive trader. Okay, very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x. You see that right there, and you see that right there. That's why you see all these movements. Like you see, market moves down a little bit, my trades move a lot. They move up, my trades move a lot. So yeah, that's that right there. So you guys can, I'm telling you guys, that's how I trade. Don't do like me if you don't understand the market. Okay, so going again, you can tell my take profit I have is set up at 6,500, because I believe Quant will go above it. With everything coming, Quant will go above that. But anyways, if it gets there, my profit will be $1.6 million, as you can see right there. Okay, right there, $1.6 million. But again, I will not get stuck to this. That's why I monitor the market every day. I told you guys, my bearish performance for Quant is 1,500. That's my bearish performance. If that happens, we'll be here $361,000. That's what I will make. My average performance for Quant is around 2,500 to 2,800. So 2,800, this will make me $689,000. Okay, Now you start getting to the bullish. My bullish price prediction for quants, let's see, it's around 5,000, between 5,000 to 6,500. By the time we hit $5,000, this thing will make me $1.2 million. Again, I told you guys, I'm not sticking to one price. I'm monitoring the markets every day, and it depends on what the changes are. If we get to the top of the bull run and we didn't hit my major bull target, which is 6,500, I'll take my profits wherever the market is. Okay, now you're looking at Casper right here. My take profit is at $10. I told you guys that before, and this will make me almost $600,000. Now my bearish prediction for price for Casper, if Casper did not do good this season, is $4. At $4, this position will make me $233,000. Okay, now my average for Casper, okay, my average for Casper is going to be around $7. Then this position will make me $416,000, as you can see. So if things don't get to where I'm expecting them to go, again, I'm looking at these prices and I'm going to take my profits wherever the market is when we are close to that top of the bull run. Okay, so now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. Okay, let me sign in. On my Phemex, you guys also remember, okay, yesterday I almost got that $12,000, almost $13,000. Bitcoin was pumping. Now the price is correcting a little bit. Today I am still up $11,000. Okay, looking at my contracts, you will see that my Jasmine is holding up pretty good. I'm still down on Jasmine at minus 26%, which is $3,000, and my Casper, I am still down minus 39%, which is $1,600. Again, guys, do not do like me if you don't know what you're doing. I trade at 50x. See that? All my trades are at 50x. So yeah, that's how aggressive I am. Now looking at Jasmine, I told you guys, depends on how their lockup go. If their lockup go good and they lock like 20 or 30% of their supply, you could see Jasmine at $3. That happened, then I will have me $2.4 million. Now for me, my top of the bull run price prediction for Jasmine without the lockups, okay, is around 60 to 70 cents. So let's say it goes up 70 cents, it will make me $559,000. That's my top. Okay, but right now in the immediate short term, if you want to take profits, again, you have to be looking at first 4.5 cents. 4.5 cents, I will have $18,000. I will not take profit, but I'm telling you guys, if you want to, then the next spot you gotta look at is gonna be at 12 cents, because that's the target for the bull flag that we are in right now. 12 cents, that will make me $80,000. Okay, but again, you have to look at all the stuff like price getting attracted to the golden pocket. Golden pocket is around 15 cents. That will make me $104,000. Again, that's a good way to take a profit if you want to. And again, we have another potential price is going to be at 20 cents, because there is a lot of trading activity at 20 cents. That will make me, at 20 cents, it will make me $146,000. There you have it. Okay, so let's go back here. So pay attention to those things, guys. You got to pay attention to those things. Those three coins. I will sit here and I'll tell you, I told you so. That's how simple that is. Okay, just pay attention. Don't FOMO with everybody else. Not financial advice. I'm only telling you what I'm doing. Once I get off right here, I need to go scale up some of my trades again to make sure that my liquidation don't get hit. But anyways, guys, that being said, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, please subscribe, share, so that other people like you and me with millionaire minds can get this information, and we can trade different advices. And also, please comment. I would like to know your opinion. What do you think about these three coins we just talked about today? What's your opinion about them? Okay. Also, like the video. Tell me what you like about it, or whatever you want to say. I'm open to anybody's opinions. Okay, that said, until I see you in my next one, please take good care of yourselves. Okay, bye bye.